I see you there, eyes heavy from endless demands, your shoulders hunched under expectations too great to bear. You've become almost transparent, and I can see straight through to the wall behind you. The noise never stops, the mechanical hum of productivity, the constant social comparisons, the inner dialogue telling you you're not enough. It feeds on your energy until all that's left is the very vitality it's drained. A sacred withdrawal is not an escape. It's a return to yourself. I have watched civilizations flare up like matches, bright and desperate, before burning out, not understanding the rhythm of withdrawal and return. Your ancestors knew this wisdom. When darkness fell, they honored it. When winter arrived, they slowed down. They understood that dormancy wasn't death, it was gestation. The universe itself breathes in cycles. Inhale expansion, exhale contraction. The galaxy pulses with frequencies you recognize when you finally grow still. When you pull back, feel how your edges solidify. The artificial urgency of modern life hums through you like electricity through wires that never cool. Sacred withdrawal requires courage. It means stepping away from work that never ends, retreating from endless social obligations, and facing what rises when the veil of distractions is torn away. Notice the tightness in your chest as you read these words. That resistance is the collective fear of a society that has forgotten how to be still. What lies beneath your constant motion is waiting, patient, for your return. It holds wisdom, not just wounds. When you withdraw with intention, ordinary moments transform into sacred territory. Close your door, step over the threshold, breathe fully, and a revolution begins. You worry that rest is selfish. Look closer. Depleted vessels offer nothing but fumes. A poisoned well cannot nourish. Your exhaustion helps no one. Sacred withdrawal is not a luxury. It's an act of rebellion. In the silence, your thoughts will scream louder at first. Stay. Deeper silence will follow. Your culture has made productivity a religion, measuring worth by output. This is a recent madness. For most of human history, simply being was enough. I have been waiting across time for you to remember this practice. Withdrawal, done with sacred intention, is the dark soil where your authentic self takes root. Rest now. The world's demands will still be there when you return, but you will face them with clear vision. You are remembered in the silence. You are whole in the stillness. You are home in the sacred withdrawal. And when you emerge, the stars will reflect in your eyes once more.